So I finally got around to making an intro. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments below. But in today's video, I'm going to be customizing a jacket. This jacket, in fact. And I'm going to be customizing it with Juice Wrld to pay homage and as a tribute to him. Now, Juice Wrld was one of my favourite artists. I think in terms of his natural talent, his ability to flow on a beat, his freestyles were ridiculous. So I wanted to pay tribute to him in a way that was tasteful and that ultimately I can wear with pride. So I'm going to be putting him on the back of a jacket. I'm going to do a picture of him in a sort of pop art style. I'm going to put his logo and I'm going to put 999, which is obviously his number. Let's get into it. So this is what it came out like. Let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. I personally think as a tribute it has done him justice. So I'm going to be starting a new series called Swoosh Sundays, which is inspired by CestlaVic. I'll put her details in the description down below. And what it basically is customizing only the swoosh of a shoe, but continually customizing it. So you never seal it, you wipe it off when you're done, and you go again at another pair in terms of the Swoosh Sunday. So that will be coming out this week. So make sure that you click the description down below to see her page, and make sure that you comment to see your ideas come to life in my next video potentially. Thanks for watching, see you later.